For our last unit, we are going to deal with something called symmetry. Symmetry is when something is exactly the same on one side as it is on the other. In other words, you can divide it in half equally. So I've drawn 4 shapes here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to figure out the line of symmetry. The line of symmetry is an imaginary line dividing something in half. Sometimes there might be more than one for each shape. So, you can start with the house. Now, if you look at this, I know that this corner is the same as this corner. This corner is the same as this one. So this side is the same as this side. So I can draw a line right down through here. That's our line of symmetry. So our 2 shield shapes I have here, again, if I draw a line this way, well, this is a curve, this is a straight line. They are not the same. So I cannot draw a line of symmetry there. It has to go up and down. Again here, this one comes to a point at the bottom and it has a curve at the top. They are not the same. So I cannot draw a line like that. It's going to be like this. So let's look at the rectangle. I know that this side is the same as this side, so I can do that same vertical line of symmetry like that. But I also know that the bottom and the top are the same, so I can draw my second line of symmetry dividing it in half that way. Now, if I were to do a square, okay? Once again, just like the rectangle, I know that I'm going to have a line of symmetry this way. They are the same. Then I have a line of symmetry here. This is the same as this. But when they are even all the way around, you can have diagonal lines of symmetry too. Think of folding a square in half a bunch of times. So the square actually has 1, 2, 3, 4 lines of symmetry. Okay? So, a little bit of practice for this. Okay, it's not a big deal, but it is graded, so make sure you take your time and do this right. You are simply drawing the other half of these pictures. You can see the line of symmetry is here. So all you got to do is look at the dots and try and make it the same. Take your time. I want to see nice straight lines. You do not need to use a ruler, but again, I would like neatness to be part of this. So there you go. You're drawing the other half. I'm going to do one more. Now this one's a little bit different. Remember, it is the same thing on both sides, but sometimes, if you look at this line right here, it has to get flipped like that so that it looks like a mirror image or mirror finish. Okay? So then you will finish those. Use the dots to your advantage. That's why they're there, to help you. I'm going to draw the other half of these. Same with that house. Now this is a lot bigger. Try not to miss anything. Remember that your lines have to go opposite sometimes. So you'll finish the house, the castle, and then the robot. Make sure your name is on the front, and then you can turn it in.